I'm Carmela Solis, and I'm going to be doing the first experiment on factors affecting rate reactions. So for the first activity, we're going to do the calibrations test. So I'm going to take 8 drops of potassium iodine and put it in the left top well. 8. And then I'm going to add 2 drops of HCl, hydrogen chloric acid, to the potassium iodine, 2 drops, and 4 drops of starch solution as well. And as you can see, it's a little murky. And then I'm going to add 8 drops of sodium thiosulfate. 1, 4. As you can see, it's kind of white. And with my syringe, I'm going to get about 0.4 milliliters. And I put it in a cap so it's easier for me to get. I'm going to add hydrogen peroxide, and while adding it, I will be timing it to see the color change. And now on to activity 2, where we're going to be testing the concentration of HCl, hydrochloric acid. And first, I will take the hydrochloric acid and drop 15 drops into one of these wells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'm going to take 5 drops of pure water. So I'm going to take one of my pipettes and get some pure water from here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to swirl our solution. And for my second well, I'm going to get 10 drops of hydrochloric acid. 10. And I'm going to do 10 drops of pure water. So 5 and 10. To make a 50% HCl solution. For my third well, I'm going to drop 5 drops of HCl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to drop 15 drops of pure water. 1, 2, 15. To make a 25% HCl solution. So we're going to move on to activity 3, which is going to test the temperatures for the chemicals. So you have to take 3 test tubes. We're going to test the water baths. We're going to have room temperature water, hot water, and ice water. And the cold one is approximately 5 degrees Celsius, and the hot water is approximately 45 degrees Celsius, and the room temperature is roughly 25 degrees Celsius. And we're going to test the room water. And what I'm going to do, we're going to take the measurements from activity 2 to test this. So we're going to take 8 drops of potassium iodine. 8 drops. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to take 4 drops of starch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take 8 drops of sulfate, which is stated in activity 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna swirl it to get it mixed. And then we're gonna put it in the warm water, the room temperature water, I'm sorry. Then we're going to add to another test tube 4.4 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. There we go. So we're going to add it in these test tubes. Then we're also going to add it to the water. And we're going to let it sit here for 5 minutes, and we're going to time it. And then we're going to repeat the same process with the hot water and the ice bath water. Then for activity 4, we're going to test the catalyst reaction, the effects from the reaction rate. And so I've already filled my wells with a potassium iodine, and then HCl and some starch and water and some sodium thiosulfate. And then right now I'm going to add the diluted copper sulfate to each well. So this, from starting from here, we're going to add 0 here, 1 there, 1, 2, 1 more drops. And we're going to test the time of this. And then for activity 5, we are going to be testing the rate law effect.